Hi, welcome to this Slimbox video. Slimbox is a smart packaging solution that allows you to create boxes on demand in the right size. So if you want to make 1 or 1,000 packages a day, this is possible throughout our machine. Today I'm going to talk to you about tape. At a certain point in our packaging process, we just need to close up the box, and there are different ways to do so. Most people use this one, a tape gun, and personally I hate them. Not only because I tend to cut myself with the sharp blades, I have a lot of problems with the tape that is getting messed up. But hey, it is a possibility. A lot of people are working with it. I'm glad in any way that we can also use the paper versions of the tape, because we used to use always polyprop or PVC versions, and the less plastic we need to use, the better. That's my opinion. So to be honest, I hate it, but it's a good working proven solution. It is cheap to buy personalized tape, so if you want to use it mobile or whatever, it's a good solution. There are other solutions also that you can work, for instance, with double-sided tape, and there is, for instance, also a fully automated taping solution that you can integrate into your workflow, like we have here machines, trio machines, for instance, that can where you just have to pass your package and it is sealed up. Today I'm going to talk about something that is in between, and that's an automated packaging machine. We've got a fully electric one. Here, this is a Better Pack 555E, and we have a manual one. So if you ask me what machine should I buy, well, there's not just an easy answer. There are different categories. First to say is that they both use paper tape that is water activated and gummed, so there's no difference between them. You can buy this paper, this gum tape with your own logos printed on it. That's quite easy. We like to use also a tape that has fortifications in it, because it gives so much more strength to your packaging, but that's completely up to you. So both machines use the same kind of tape. You see it, big rolls. That means you have to change it less than these little tape guns. This one is fully electric, and it has, in my opinion, 3 big advantages. First, it is pre-programmed. That means you have here all these distances on this machine. They are in inch. You can also buy these machines with the metric system, so no problem. That means if you know you have a certain box, this kind of tape, you can say, okay, 15-inch will do, and then you have the right size tape. The second one is that it has a preheated bed. That means that the tape is a bit more hot, and it will dry faster, so it will stick faster to your corrugated, and that might be in winter a big advantage. And the third one is that this is a integratable machine, so you can connect it to your warehouse management system, you can program it, you can connect it to a printer or a PC. So that is a big advantage. If you can program that for a certain kind of box, you need, for instance, 15 inches of tape, well, it automatically will give you the right distance length of tape. So this is a big advantage. The disadvantage compared to that one is that this machine is over 2,500 euros, so it comes with a budget. This is our manual machine. The length of the tape you have is definable just by doing this, and then you have a tape. You can set a fixed length to this, but you can also change this length. For instance, I'm using it here, and I say I always want, for instance, at least 40 inches of tape. Then you have bigger tapes, so you can program it. If you put it to the maximum, you can also say, I just want this tape, pull it back, it cuts, and then you have the smaller tape. For my opinion, with all this packaging that is on demand, I think this is a very good and a smart solution, but it is not preheated, so it sticks fast to corrugated, but not as fast. as the preheated one. So this is how they work. Let me show how to close up a box. That's what we're using them for. So I made some boxes 201s, and I prefer to close out like this. And then I have like some tape. I can fill what is, I can package the package, and I do the same. Voilà, this is very fast, very easy. We can do the same with the other machine. So, all our box. I think use immediately. Put my tape gun in it because we don't need it anymore. And do this. And it's closed up. Thank you very much for watching this episode. If you have further questions, don't hesitate. React here under the video, or you can send us a mail, have some contact through our website. We gladly can lend you this for a week to try it out. We can assist you with any questions. So keep watching, and thank you very much.